So next we've got Jordan Dauble from SimBlocks IO using Cesium with simulation interoperability standards. And he is actually our last speaker. So give him a hand, please.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. This is the last presentation. It's great to be here. So we've seen many great examples of 3D terrain visualizations. But the question is, what do you do next if you want to leverage Cesium's terrain capabilities as part of a larger simulation like a military flight simulator? This is where an organization called the Simulation Interoperability Standards Organization, or CISO, can be very helpful. Over the last several decades, CISO has developed and improved a set of standards that have been used all over the world, from small standalone simulators to large-scale geographically distributed simulations. I'm going to talk about one standard that is particularly relevant to visual systems, and that is the Common Image Generator Interface, right? So by image generator, I just mean your visual application. These days, you might be using Unity or Unreal for something like that, but over the decades, there have been a number of different IGs, image generators, in our community. CIGI allows one or more visual applications to be controlled by an external host using a specified collection of network messages. Why is this useful? Individual image generation applications can then focus on rendering, while other systems can specialize in flight dynamics or other computing-intensive tasks. Using CIGI helps enable simulation integrators to more easily switch from one image generation application to another. And here are some examples. Some of the common CIGI messages include creating entities, controlling velocity and acceleration, translating and rotating articulated parts, what is the time of day, what is the weather like, and terrain intersection queries. A simulated entity is typically a dynamically moving object in your scene, such as a plane or a tank, but other objects and effects may be represented as entities as well. Each top-level entity is placed in the scene using WGS84 lat-long coordinates. Each entity can then be rotated using yaw, pitch, and roll. Each visual application is instructed what to look at using a view that is attached to an entity, and multiple views can be combined in a view group. If you're interested in finding out more about CISO, you can check out this website. There are also several events throughout the year, such as the CISO Symposium and Simulation Innovation Workshop, where you can hear from technical experts or sign up and give a talk about pretty much anything you want to, kind of like this. And if you want to see military simulators in action, check out IIDSEC at the end of the year. A couple other things. Our company has also built a tool as part of a defense project related to the U.S. Army One World Terrain program to convert content from the well-formed format, which is based on 3D tiles, plus extra things like 3TZ archives and S2 projections, into the CDB terrain format. Our company has also separately developed CDB plugins for Unity and Unreal. And we also participated in the recent Unreal XR Game Jam, where we built a digital twin concept of the city of Orlando using Cesium GS and Cesium for Unreal. And I think this is it for the lightning talk, so let's celebrate by doing a picture real fast. Okay, awesome. Thank you very much.